yours. I'm not here for it. I told you what it is. You chose to stay. Lately you chose the bad.
Neden gittim araya?
I'm not here for it. I told you what it is. You chose to stay.
Who's there? Girl, let me in. We only go around 10, and I'm tryna give it to you again. Pulling your hair, bring it.
Jungkook and Lisa had been friends since high school, their paths crossing in the music club. Jungkook was a talented singer and Lisa was a skilled dancer. They often worked together for school events and formed a close bond over their shared passion for music. After graduation, they both pursued their dreams in the entertainment industry. Jungkook became a member of the famous K-pop group BTS, and Lisa joined the equally popular group Blackpink. Despite their busy schedules, they managed to stay in touch and would often catch up over coffee or dinners whenever they were both free. Jungkook and Lisa had met at a party of mutual friends. They had both been drunk and ended up spending the night together. It was a one-night stand that they both regretted the next morning. But little did they know that it would lead to a life-changing consequence. Jungkook kisses Lisa and drags her towards the room. He started giving her Nicky as Lisa leaves moves, which makes Jungkook more needy and lusty. They are giving equal energy to each other. Lisa draws her fingers on Jungkook's chest as the atmosphere gets more heated up and romantic. Each morning Lisa wakes up, she looks around, she gasps heavily, she sees herself naked and her beside a man who backstabbing her. She gets up slowly and looks at the man's face. Her world stops and recreation takes over her body. Lisa, oh Lord, what the hell, I did no, I had one night stand with Jungkook. Please, why this happened with us? Oh no, I can't face Jungkook now, it's a shame thing. And what if our agencies and fans know this will spread like fire and our career will be ended? No, and his crazy fangirls. No, I can't let anyone know about this, I should leave. Sighs. Lisa wears her clothes and goes from the room slowly. After some time Jungkook wakes up, he looks around and trying to remember yesterday night. He remembered something moments. He also regret that thing happened by the way them, but Jungkook decided to stay normal in front of Lisa and he continued his friendship with us. They somehow ended up in contract marriage. One day YG and Hype, both agencies, call Jungkook and Lisa together. It's first time for both of them face each other as idols, or after that night their company gave them a shocking news about their marriage as contract they have to do cause they are young idols. Also some fans saw them together at party and shipping them crazily. His crazy fans hating Lisa and Lisa's fans hate JK, which leaves ARMY and Blinks in a toxic fight. They have told oh this is their couple, so JK and Lisa agree forcefully. Lisa found out that she was pregnant a few weeks later, but she chose to keep it a secret from Jungkook. She was scared and didn't know how to tell him. She also didn't know what he would think or if he would even want to be a part of the baby's life. As the months passed, Lisa started to show and she did her best to hide her growing bump from Jungkook. She wore loose-fitting clothes and avoided any situation where he might see her without a shirt on. She also started to distance herself from him, afraid that he would figure out her secret. Jungkook, on the other hand, couldn't help but notice the changes in Lisa. She seemed distant and cold, and he couldn't understand why. He tried to talk to her and ask her if something was wrong, but she always brushed it off as stress from work. One evening, as they were getting ready to go out for dinner, Jungkook caught a glimpse of Lisa's bump as she was changing. His mind immediately started racing with questions. How long had she been hiding this from him? Was he really the father? Why didn't she tell him? He couldn't hold back his anger and confronted her about it.
Why did you tell me?
He demanded, his voice filled with a mix of anger and hurt. Lisa's eyes widened in fear. She had never seen Jungkook so mad before. I was afraid, she stammered, I didn't know how you would react. Jungkook's anger only grew as he listened to her words.
Afraid? You were afraid to tell me that I was going to be a father? He exclaimed. Do you know how much I've been trying to be there for you, to be a good boyfriend?
He continued, tears starting to fill his eyes.
What's going on, Lisa?
Lisa, her eyes betraying a mixture of fear and apprehension, looked away. Lisa, guarded, nothing.
Do not lie to me.
Lisa hesitated, a palpable tension hanging in the air. Jungkook, raising his voice, What
are you hiding?
Lisa, nervously, it's none of your business. Jungkook, the realization dawning upon him, took a step closer, his eyes narrowing.
Are you pregnant?
Lisa, caught off guard, stammered, unable to find words to conceal the truth any longer.
You hid this from me for 7 months?
Lisa, defensively, you and I, we're not the same anymore. Jungkook, his anger bubbling beneath the surface, couldn't fathom the magnitude of the secret Lisa had kept.
Jungkook, you think you could just hide something like this?
Lisa, tearfully, I was scared, Jungkook.
Scared or not, you can't just keep me in the dark about something like this.
Lisa's heart ached at the pain in Jungkook's voice. She had never meant to hurt him, but she was overwhelmed with fear and didn't know how to handle the situation. Feeling a mix of anger and sadness, Jungkook grabbed Lisa's hand and dragged her back to their apartment. Lisa was scared of what was going to happen, but she followed him silently. Once they were inside, Jungkook turned to face Lisa with a determined look in his eyes.
You are going to tell me everything. I want to know when you found out, why you didn't tell me, and what you plan to do.
Lisa took a deep breath and started to explain everything, her voice shaking with fear. She told him about finding out she was pregnant, her fear of his reaction, and her struggles with hiding it from him. Jungkook listened to her with a mix of anger and sadness. He couldn't believe that she had kept such a big secret from him. But he also felt guilty for not noticing sooner and for not being there for her when she needed him. As Lisa finished telling her story, Jungkook's anger had subsided and he pulled her into a hug.
I'm sorry, are you? I'm sorry, I should have noticed sooner. I should have been there for you.
Lisa held on to him tightly, relieved that he wasn't angry anymore. But she also felt guilty for hiding the truth from him. Jungkook pulled back slightly and looked into Lisa's eyes.
I may be mad, but I still love you and I want to take care of you and our baby.
He said, placing a hand on her still flat belly. Lisa's eyes filled with happy tears as she realized that she didn't have to face this alone. Jungkook was here to support her and love her, no matter what.
Do you trust me, Lisa? Jungkook asked, his hot breath tickling her face.
Or petting her face. Lisa nodded, and Jungkook's lips formed into a sly grin.
Then let me show you how much I care and how much I want to protect you.
He kissed her again, but this time, the kiss was deeper and more passionate. His hands roamed over her body, igniting a fire within her. Lisa couldn't resist anymore as she melted in his touch, allowing him to take control. As things heated up, Jungkook laid her down on the couch, hovering over her. He whispered in her ear.
Ready for punishment, baby girl?
A shiver ran down her spine as Jungkook claimed her lips again, sending her into a world of pleasure and escape from heat.
You're going to get punished for keeping this from me.
Jungkook said with a smirk, causing Lisa to blush and look away. But when he pulled her into a kiss, all thoughts of punishment went out the window and they spent the evening creating a spicy and romantic atmosphere, both of them feeling relieved and happy to be together again. From that day on, Jungkook was there for Lisa every step of the way. They may have started off rocky, but their bond only grew stronger as they prepared for the arrival of their little one. And as for Lisa, she learned that sometimes the hardest secrets to keep are the ones that need to be shared with the person you love the most.